Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to make hair. So as example, I will use the sphere object and you can use the face selection, right click and I will choose face selections. Now press tab button, we can select the face here. Okay. Okay, this is for the example. And if you want to set hair into this selection, you can go to generate menu, click on the create interactive groom splines. So it will be show for the xgen interactive here in the rec bar, or you can change in the workspace into the xgen interactive groom. You can click in the plus icon here in description, and we can go to the attribute editor. For this is for the default settings. You can change for scale here and also for taper like this. And the next, go to sculpt. You can click plus icons and I will click on edit. You can active here. Now we can edit these options. You can go to scale here or description base. You can set for the amount of the hair. And for scale, you can change for the max here, long of hair, or you can use the scale at this point. So this is for the long hair, and then this is for the scale for the hair. Okay, you can view. This is the examples for scaling the hair. The next, if you want to change for the hair directions, we can use the comb tools. You can go to the xgen here menu and then use the comb option and go to the tool settings. We can set for the size here and you can active for the collect with mesh, and also you can use the symmetric option here in x-axis, maybe show at this point direction, or you can set into y-axis and another for a z-axis. So this is for the z-axis, and if you click in another area will be automatically changed for the direction. So it will be symmetrical between left and right. Okay, you can move to the bottom a bit like in it. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to make hair.